Hey Dominique, thank you so much for helping me out and providing such a great service. For this second part, this is just a quick add-on which should just be a lot easier of a code than the first initial piece which I proposed. So ultimately, once the spreadsheet is optimized, ultimately what I want to be able to do is I want to be able to once the product codes and the UPCs are exported into the spreadsheet, to be able to find the product match from a product catalog like this one, which is a PDF format, and I want to be able to take either from this PDF format or, which I'll go over in a second, a potentially converted PDF into an Excel spreadsheet. And I want to be able to export the data and find the matching cost of the item from the catalog. All right, the number per case, and that's about it. All right, case is just how many comes in a case pack. And those are the two things I want. Now, ultimately, there is two ways we could go about this. I'm not sure if Excel can create a scraping code that could scrape the data from a PDF. If so, that would save me a few steps, but it's not completely necessary. As you can see in here, we have the item number, right, in the catalog, the price, and the carton pack, meaning the how many come in a case. And if the product code matched here, then the price would go into this cost column and the carton pack would go into the case column. Now, if scraping it from the PDF might prove to be a little bit tedious, I can export the PDF and convert it into a Microsoft Excel file, as I'm going to do right now. From there, as this converts, I can pretty much save this on my computer. Let's just say I save it on my desktop. All right, I'll save it there. Okay, show in folder, and then we have this here. I could take the information, copy all the information, and as I've done here, paste it onto a table. Now this table right here is utilizing the item number, the description, the price, the carton, and the pack, right? And this is the top part of this information, but there's also information here such as the item number would be right here, the price, and then you obviously have weight and such, which is not as important, but then UPC is also something that can be pulled from here. So as you can see, this is something where it might be a consideration that there's like a secondary macro that could pull this information either from a spreadsheet when exported into spreadsheet format or from the PDF itself. Perhaps it would come in the form of a button. Ideally, there would be an option to export data by using the UPC as a lookup value to find the cost and case, and also by using the product code as the lookup value to find the cost and case, as some of these wholesale catalogs will go only off product code and some will only go off UPC. So having the option for both makes it easier for any situation where I may run into either the product code being the only information I get out of the catalog versus the UPC being the only information I get out of the catalog.